Alright, hi people, it's Shakespeare. I'm here to do re-unboxings, I guess, for you guys today of pretty much the entire Flash series from seasons 1 to 9. So, yeah. I did the first 3, I believe. Or it was just the first 2. Years ago when they originally came out. Did the last, I think, 5 seasons, or 6 seasons, as I got them, so... yeah, or as I recently got them, so yeah. But here we go with the first season. So yeah, Blu-ray and digital HD, DC Comics. You got Flash right there, Flash logo, complete first season. And on the side right there, the other side, and on the back with these special features. I'll let you guys read them. So yeah. Episodes, APHD 6x9, 1.70 by 1, DTS HD Master Audio of English 5.1, Dolby Digital Spanish 2.0, subtitles in English, French, and Spanish. Special features may not be in high def and audio, subtitles may vary. Remember when Ultraviolet was the thing? Yeah. 979 minutes. So yeah. Now you just redeem these things through WB and you get them through Voodoo. So yeah, so here's the case, and on the inside here you get the pamphlet for the disc and episode lists and special features lists as well. So yeah, back when they used to do these. So yeah. So we go with disc 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we got the second season. I was gonna skip over saying more of these things because I already did, and it'll save time. It's got the back here. Special features. Episodes are pretty much the same thing as the previous one. 1,020 minutes. So, here we go with the Blu-ray case. Again, a little pamphlet for the episode and disc lists and special features and whatnot. And discs, nice blue instead of red. I think the later seasons defaulted to red more often than not. So we have season 3, and these did come with digital HD codes, but obviously I don't have them anymore. 75 minutes. There's the special features list. It's pretty much the same as the others, as I can tell. Later seasons drop like some of the audio options for no reason. So, Blu-ray case. Audio and subtitle options, I should say. Okay, this is an orange, which is nice. Again, pamphlet for the episode and disc lists, then the cast list. So disc 1 and 2, and 3 and 4. This looks like it was taken from the season 2 cover or photo shoot, whatever they did. So season 4. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the same. 1,096 minutes. Here we go with the Blu-ray case. You can tell they really stopped, or they started to give less of a shit about how they design these things as they went along. So yeah, and that's like the first one to default to red for the discs color. Season 5, and then they switched from more of a smooth and shiny sort of thing to just like, sort of like, I don't know if matte finish is the right kind of, or the right thing to say, but yeah. It's like that kind of thing, you know? And then, yeah, this is where they start dropping these Spanish and French audio and subtitle options, unfortunately. So you guys can probably see right there. And 1,016 minutes. But we still got the pamphlets for now. One, two, three, 4 for the discs. So we got season 6. Yeah, 804 minutes. This is where I think they started cutting episode numbers as well. This is one thing with front and back. One, two, three, 4. And the Crisis on Infinite Earths disc, which each season of one of these Arrowverse shows that was involved with that crossover has that disc included in the season that it takes place during for each of them. So yeah. So we got season 7. And 762 minutes. So yeah, and then the Blu-ray case. And here's where they start using recycle cases. It's 1, 2, and 3. And where they start printing the disc and episode lists on the inside. Which is fine, I don't mind that, I just don't like that there's not a lot of consistency. And you can tell that they stopped giving a shit halfway through the show. So yeah, season 8. Yeah, 844 minutes. So yeah. So disc 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this isn't a recycled case, thankfully. We still have the disc and episode lists right there. And then we get to the most confusing way that they've changed the packaging with season 9, where it's just a regular slipcover rather than the slipcovers the rest of these have. I don't understand why that was changed. But yeah. On the slipcover we got all this. And on top of that, this doesn't come with a digital code like the others did. Don't know why. It's 549 minutes. So yeah, it's just got the inside here, another recycle case. 1, 2, and 3. And the episodes and discs. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically it for seasons 1 to 9 of The Flash on Blu-ray. I probably should have done this anyways. I'd recommend getting the complete series set if you don't have any of these. I believe that'll come with a digital code, so you can redeem that for the episodes. But yeah, that's basically it. I've already done this with Arrow and Gotham. I'll try and do this again as soon as possible with the other Arrowverse shows, mainly Supergirl and Legends of Tomorrow, which I have the first couple of seasons each for, so yeah. So I don't really have much else to say, so link description on my shit, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one.